Hi students, today I am going to teach you George Bernard Shaw, and yes, one of the most favorite of students, Arms and the Man. If we take Bernard Shaw, one of the greatest Irish dramatists who wrote thought-provoking problem plays. Remember what I am saying. Irish dramatist who was in a habit of writing thought-provoking problem plays. कैसी plays? Thought-provoking problem plays. Moreover, he was educated where? In Dublin. My style of teaching is actually very different, stepwise, so that the student can make a photographic, graphic presentation in their subconscious mind. Even if you have to remember something about this after 10 years, then also I am very much sure कि आपके दिल में दिमाग में ये पिक्चर्स आ जाएंगी and you will be able to speak. G.B. Shaw was trained in music and painting. Trained in music and painting. In 1876, he went to London, and there in London, he started as a music critic. London music critic. He started as a music critic and a drama critic. He was jealous propagandist of socialism. And one very important thing I am going to tell, in 1884, he founded the Fabian Society. 1884, founded the Fabian Society. इसकी जो प्लेज है ना, वो बहुत सारे ऑडियंस को खींच लेती हैं. His plays drew large audiences and earned him, if you remember, the Nobel Prize in Literature 1925. 1925 Nobel Prize in Literature. So this starting is of utmost importance for you to make a brief aura of G.B. Shaw. Now, if we talk about his works, he is no less than Shakespeare. He has written versatile dramas. To name a few, Arms and the Man, Candida. And my dear students, अगर मैं यहाँ पे कोई नाम लिखता हूँ, तो कोशिश करिएगा थोड़ा थोड़ा जिस्ट आपको इन प्लेस के बारे में पता हो. Candida, Arms and the Man, Mrs. Warren's Profession, Then the devil's disciple. The Devil Disciple, one of the outstanding plays, the masterpiece of G.B. Shaw, Man and Superman. How can we forget Major Barbara? Try to capture these names in your eyes, in your subconscious. Then, the doctor's dilemma. The doctor's dilemma. पिग्मेलियन, आपने जरूर पढ़ा होगा पिग्मेलियन. देन द एप्पल कार्ट एंड सेंट जोन. सेंट जोन भी आपने ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में जरूर पढ़ा होगा. एंड वन ऑफ द वेरी फेमस बुक, जिसको नेट के एग्जाम में कई बार पूछा गया है घुमा घुमा के, and that is of Ibsenism. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Can anybody tell me? Quint, Q-U-I-N-T, Q-U-I-N-T, E-S-S, E-S-S-E-N-C-E, the quintessence of Ibsenism. Fine. Now, if we talk about some of the characteristics of G.B. Shaw, it is satire, he deals with the problems of society depicted, he writes in a very clear, witty prose, he talks about new ideals. He is also known as master of puns, and he rebelled against muddled thinking. He was known for his witty dialogues. Last but not least, G.B. Shaw was very much influenced by Butler and Ibsen. G.B. Shaw believed that it is the duty of the writer to do something for the society. हमें society के लिए कुछ करना है. And he was a propagandist and used literature as a medium, as a vehicle of his own views. He did not want to write even a line without a purpose. G.B. Shaw के जो prefaces होते हैं, they are very, very argumentative. And his plays too abound in too much talk. बातें बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, but action little. Abounds in too much talk and little action. Now, we come to the introduction part of one of the very famous play, Arms and the Man. You might be knowing that this play comprises of 3 acts. The first act is laid in a young lady's bedroom at a late November night in 1885. 1885 में लेट नवंबर की रात में एक यंग गर्ल का बेडरूम से पहला सीन खुलता है. And who is that young girl? A romantic young girl? Yes, you might be knowing it is nobody but a Raina. The very beautiful young romantic girl who is charmed by the romantic beauty of the night. She adores, she loves the portrait of her lover, Sergius. She adores and loves the portrait of her lover, Sergius, who has gone to the war. She has to give shelter to Captain Bluntschli. किसको शेल्टर देना है? Captain Bluntschli. And who is Captain Bluntschli? He is a Swiss officer who has been chased by the Bulgarian cavalry. He threatens her with his pistol if she would attempt to raise any alarm. So because of this pistol, घबराहट के मारे, डर के मारे, Raina hides Bluntschli behind a curtain, and when the Russian officer comes to check, she denies his presence to them, who comes to search her room. Now, at the departure of the Russian officer, Bluntschli expresses a lot of gratitude, immense gratitude to Raina. In return, who gives him some chocolate creams to eat as he is terribly hungry. He is a professional soldier and he joins the Serbian army because that country comes first on the road from his own country. And he is a peculiar type of a soldier who takes chocolates in war in place of that cartridges which are put in the pistol.